welcome. This is Dalise, but you might know me as Damper Girl. Today I'm working on a Christmas in July card, and it's just a reminder about our challenge. Cat Scrappiness is running a You Pick 3 Christmas in July challenge on their blog, where you can join us and you have to make a Christmas card. In this Christmas card, we're going to give you a list, and you pick 3 items from that list, and you submit it using the links, and you will be eligible to win one of 2 prizes. One is a $25 gift card to Cat Scrappiness for Cat Scrappiness products. This is for someone that does not use any Cat Scrappiness products on their submission, and a $50 gift card to the store for Cat Scrappiness products for somebody that uses Cat Scrappiness products into their submission for the challenge. You can enter as many times as you want. And to help you out, we have a holiday sale right now. All of our holiday items in that selection are 10% off. Now, let's get started. We are creating with using the Christmas Lantern Shaker craft die from Cat Scrappiness, and these are the only 3 pieces that I didn't use because I'm not making a shaker card right now. I did use this napkin with some Elmer's glue and just glue it to a piece of cardstock, and that's all I've done with this background. And you'll see me, and we're gonna make it a little bit more elaborate. I just turn it around so you can see better because my black mat is just a little bit hard to see with all these pieces that some of them are black. We are going to put this together, and it goes pretty fast. I like to start with a little flame, and I did cut the smaller flame twice. I cut it both in red and in gold, this holographic gold, and I'm using just my picker, and I could not find a red cardstock that I like. So this is actually washi tape, and that's why it's having a hard time being picked up by my picker tool. See how easy it was for the holographic to be picked. I'm going to offset it a little bit because I want a tiny bit of the red, but not much. I really like that gold holographic paper to show up. And this goes inside of the lantern. There is a little piece in the bottom that is the tab to be able to glue my sections into the lantern itself. So here it is. We are putting it in the section, just making sure that you can see all the little flame pieces. And now we're going to bring the lantern itself. I'm putting a tiny bit of glue on that itty bitty hanger piece, but it die cuts perfectly. I did cut this piece that layers on top on a silver cardstock. I like putting the 2 pieces in the bottom, the circles first, and then it just lays beautifully on top. Again, a little piece on the bottom is just a tiny little tab for you to be able to easily put this lantern together. Removing a little bit of the glue that I have in my hands that I did a transfer. Now adding this piece that again matches the handle. Super nice. Love how this is looking. Now this piece on top, I could have done it in silver, but I didn't want to take anything away from the handle. So I did it black, and even though it's black on black, you can see the little bit of detail that it adds. Now, here is what it's going to look like. And I'm thinking, do I want my bow on the top? Do I want it on the bottom? And I tend to like my bow on the bottom, probably because I like my greenery in the bottom. I did the greenery. The greenery has 2 different like pine branches, one going one way, one going the other way. And I did cut them in 3 different greens, a darker, a medium, and a lighter. And here I'm just going to start putting the darker first, then going into the medium, and then finally moving to the lighter on top of it. And you'll see me struggle a little bit, and it's because I have glue all over my fingers. And instead of cleaning my hands, I keep working on it because I know that there's glue in my hands, but it hasn't gotten into me that I need to just go and take a wiping. I am using this teal color, and I realized I want to actually flip the teal ones. I have two copies because I want them to look a little bit off, like it's like a bow with lots of actually loops. And I love how it looks when I glue it here together. Now, here I did use an Echo Park embossing folder to create a little bit more of interest in my card, and I love it. Now, I do want to make this frame a little bit smaller, and I did cut it. Love the way it looks, but it does need a little bit of something, and I decided to go with a little bit of bling. So I am bringing the brand new Brilliant Dots, and I'm bringing them in the green, in the blueberry, and in the sunshine. The green is called emerald. And they have this like golden undertone that I love, and I think it's just perfect for holidays. And I am just gonna spring a few of them into the card, and wherever they land, that's where I'm gluing them. I'm just adding some. I will be using my Cat Scrappiness picker and my Burley Arts glue to put this together. And I love how this looks. Ken, I want to reiterate that we have until the end of the month of July for you to enter on the You Pick 3 challenge. That is at the Cat Scrappiness blog. You need to create a holiday card. It could be any winter or holiday card. And you need to pick 3 of the list of items. One of them, I think it's mostly green and red. Another one is a holiday tree. Another one is gold. So there's different options that you can pick. You just need to pick 3 of them to make your card and then submit your card into the Inlinks. This will make you eligible for our prizes. So I really hope you join us and show us what you got. Here is the card. I really hope you love our content. If you do, please make sure that you like and subscribe to our content. And I hope you like and subscribe to my channel too. So I will leave you my information too. Again, this is Dalise, also known as Dimple Girl.